Welcome back to another coding exercise session. Today we are going to do some further exercises for the Boolean flags. So we want to write a program that checks if a number is even or odd using Boolean flags. So we initialize a number here and then we initialize a Boolean called isEven equals false by default. Then we get the input from the user, we store it, and we say if the number modulo 2 means that if the number is divided by 2 and its remainder using modulo sign equals 0, then set true for isEven boolean that was initially set to false. And then if isEven is true, then print the number is even, else the number is odd. Let's try it. It's 20. Yeah, the number is even. Let's try once more. 21. The number is odd. So here, I think after having a few coding exercises and seeing a few examples, you realize the importance of using if flag, Boolean flag, and in the if statements, showing that how useful it can be, and you will understand the logic behind it after doing a little bit of exercises, and you will see that okay, it is making my program looks better, more advanced, and more less encounter to any errors and repetition. Thank you for watching.